friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a Lovin rose from Brainrot Roblox, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to start by splitting the paper in half with the heart glasses here. We're just going to draw a curved line on the top. Now on either side, we're just going to round out the top of that heart, curving that down and in. And then again, we'll do the exact same thing on the side, curving this over and through. Now let's come down in the center. We're going to draw another curved line, arching that across. On the side, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming out. And then we'll bring this line down on the edge. And then we're going to tuck that back in. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line out towards the middle for the bottom of the heart. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and through on the side. Now let's draw the heart directly in the middle. So stepping down, we're going to curve this over, pulling that down in the center. And then we'll do the exact same thing, stepping over on the side, tucking this back in. Now let's draw in the mouth. So we're just going to draw a straight line across. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, bring that back up. For the teeth, we're going to tuck this line down, over, pulling that back through on the side. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve that all the way through towards the side. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in the roses. So we'll draw in a small straight line on the top first. And now from here, stepping up, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to leave a gap in the middle. Curve this line out on a diagonal towards the top, ending that at the same distance. Let's step over on a diagonal, tucking that back down towards the glasses. Now on the very top here, just curving this over, connecting that together. Let's move in on the bottom. We're going to bring this line down, up and across. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now stepping up in the center, let's draw in a sideways oval for the center of that rose. And now moving it around that, we're going to replicate that. We're just going to make this slightly boxier. So we're going to bring this out, essentially just drawing in a nice big rectangle around that with rounded edges. Now in the center, we're going to curve this across. We'll do that again one more time, moving up. And then one more time, just leaving a smaller gap. Let's draw in an oval right in the center. Let's come out and we're going to bring this line up on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the top with a curved line. Stepping in, bringing this up, over and back down, just replicating that rectangle shape. Let's come across for some more roses. So on the side here, we're going to curve this line out. Let's curve this across towards the side, pulling that down on a diagonal. Now let's round that out, bringing that in towards the top. Moving in towards the middle, drawing in a sideways oval. Let's add in the detail around that. So we're going to bring this line up, around, down, and in, creating that rectangle, just tucking that in behind. We're going to add in a leaf on top this time. So in the inside corner here, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back down to the middle. Now from here on the right, we're going to arch this out. And then again, from that point, just tucking this back down. Now let's come over. We're going to draw in another rose, curving this out. On the top, curving that over towards the side of our page. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom from the glasses, ending that at the same width on the top. And then now from here, just closing that off on the side. Let's move up. We're going to bring this line down, over and through. In the center, drawing in a sideways oval. And now let's draw in a rectangle around this. Let's move up again, one more time, drawing in the last rose. So we're going to start on the side, curving that through towards the top. And then now from here, we're going to round that out, curving that in. In the center, drawing in another sideways oval. And then now in the middle, just drawing in a rectangle. Now let's draw on the leaf behind. So we're going to curve this out, pulling this back down. And then on the side here, curving this up, pulling that back in. Now that we've drawn all the roses on the top, we can come down and draw in the rest of the body now. So let's start with the bow tie right in the middle. We're going to draw in a circle. On the side here, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. We'll do the exact same thing on the left. Now we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides, ending that at the same width. And then we'll bring this line down on a diagonal. Let's curve this out slightly on the side. Let's step in, curving this up. And then coming through one more time, we're replicating that. Now stepping down in the center for the buttons, we're just going to draw in 2 small circles. Let's come across for the body. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to curve this out, flaring that out slightly to the side. Now in the middle for the bow again, we're going to start right in the center, drawing in another big circle. We'll draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out from the center. Let's step up. We're going to curve this around, bringing that back down. And now in the middle, we're just going to curve this line out on both sides. We'll step up and do that on the top as well. Let's draw a small diagonal line coming in towards the top. Pulling this back out. And then again, bringing this in. Now let's close off the bottom of this. So from that corner, we're going to curve this in towards the center. And then closing this off right in the middle. Let's come up. We're going to curve this out on both sides. Dropping down, replicating that. Now from the center, we're going to come out. We're going to draw a diagonal line on both sides. Stepping across again, let's replicate that. And now let's just replicate that again one more time. Let's do the exact same thing as we come down. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on the left-hand side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now let's draw in the arms. So we're going to step across and we're going to bring this line out and then back up. Let's step down and we're going to pull this line out and then through again, ending that at the same width there. Let's Let's close off the wrist. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this line down, connecting that across, pulling that back through. Let's step in for the thumb, curving this around, arching that back in and through. Let's draw in the pinky. So we're just going to draw in an oval on the side. Now from here, we'll do the peace sign. So we're just going to curve this up, pulling that back through for the first finger. And then again, starting in the middle, bringing that out on a slight diagonal, tucking that back down to the bottom. Now lastly, let's just draw on our leg. So from the center, stepping over, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. Do the exact same thing, stepping over, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the inside with a curved line. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that across, tucking that back in. Now on the inside for the shoe, we're just going to curve this down towards the bottom. On the bottom, curving that across. From that outside edge, bringing this around, tucking that back down. And then we'll close off the sole of the shoe with a curved line. And that is it. That's how you draw Lovin Rose from Steal a Brainrot Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.